So let us cover matrices VSEQs in this class. Take the first question. If x minus 3, 2y minus 8, z plus 2, 6 is equal to 5, 2 minus 2, a minus 4, then find the values of x, y, z and a. So first we should write what is given to us. Given x minus 3, 2y minus 8, z plus 2, 6 is equal to 5, 2, minus 2, a minus 4. Now whenever two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements can be equated. So let us write that step first. When two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements can be equated. So if I equate x minus 3 to 5, we will get x value as 8. Now we equated these two. Now we equate these two. So 2y minus 8 is 2. So 2y is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. We got x value, we got y value here. Next z plus 2 is equal to minus 2. So z is equal to minus 4. Next 6 is equal to a minus 4. So a is equal to 10. So we got all the four values x, y, z and a. Now take the next question. If x minus 1, 2, 5 minus y, 0, z minus 1, 7, 1, 0, 8 minus 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 7, 1, 0, 0. Then we need to find x, y, z and a. So again the same way we can proceed. Given x minus 1, 2, 5 minus y, 0, z minus 1, 7, 1, 0, a minus 5. That is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 7, 1, 0, 0. Now we can equate the corresponding elements. So equating the corresponding elements. So x minus 1, you equate it to 1. 5 minus y, you equate it to 3. Z minus 1, you equate it to 4. And a minus 5, you equate it to 0. So you will get x value as 2, y value as 2, z value as 5 and a value as 5. Now take the next question. If a and b is given and 2x plus a is equal to b is the condition given, then find then find x. So first let us write what is given to us. A is given 1, 2, 3, 4. B is given 3, 8, 7, 2. And also what is given to us? 2x plus a is equal to b. So first you transpose a that side. So you will get 2x is equal to b minus a. And then x is equal to half of b minus a. So first we need to find b minus a. Then you take half inside. So x is equal to half of. First let us write B matrix 3, 8, 7, 2. Minus, now we will take A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is half of 3 minus 1, 8 minus 2, 7 minus 3, 2 minus 4. So that is half of 2, 6, 4 minus 2. If you take half inside, each element will be divided by 2. So 2 by 2 is 1, 6 by 2 is 3, 4 by 2 is 2 and minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So this is X matrix. Take the next question. If A and B is given to us and X is equal to A plus B, then find X. So first write the given matrix. A is equal to 3, 2, minus 1. 2 minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. And B is equal to minus 3 minus 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 4 minus 1, 2. Now also what is given to us? X is equal to A plus B. That means if we add these two matrices, we will get X. So 3, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Plus, what is B? Minus 3 minus 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 4 minus 1, 2. Now let us add them. 3 minus 3, 2 minus 1, minus 1 plus 0. 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 1, 0 plus 3. 1 plus 4, 3 minus 1, 1 plus 2. So that is 0, 1, minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 5, 2, 3. This is the answer.